I needed a new band for my iWatch, so this is the pattern I made. It's in metric along with inches. First, the layout on the leather, just to be sure everything fits. I'll mark out the leather. Once everything's all marked out, we can start cutting. Try to keep perpendicular to the leather. I used 3-ounce leather here. When you glue, don't glue the center section. That's where the bands are going to slide through. Allow the glue to dry before you put it together. Otherwise, it's hard to get it apart. Firmly seat the glue with a mallet. Mark your stitch lines all the way around, both on the center section and on both bands. Wet the leather before tooling. Here I'm starting to put the bevels in. The tooling pattern is in about 1/8 of an inch from the stitch line. This is a basket weave pattern. Putting some final shading. I line the back of all the pieces with, it's a goat hide, it's very soft. Use a lot of contact cement as it does seem to absorb glue quite a bit. Once the parts come in contact, make sure you, again, hit them with a mallet hard, and you can smooth them over with a very smooth-faced hammer also. Try not to get rid of all your pattern when you hit. Cut out the lining flush with the main leather body. I'm marking the center hole. This will be so that you can charge the watch. I didn't have a 1 1/8 inch hole punch, so I found a piece of pipe and just rounded off the edges. This was quite sharp, actually. Really did an easy job of putting a hole in the leather. I bevel the edges, skive the parts that are going to be used in the band. I think I have to sharpen my bevelers. They were dragging quite a bit. Bevel the lining also. Then you can dye the edges and burnish the edges before dyeing the entire piece. I use Angelus dyes. This is mahogany. I was going to go for a two-tone, but I really didn't like the look of it once I had it on. With leaving the natural tooled areas, I decided to just do the whole thing with the mahogany. I think it actually came out better looking. It's actually not that red in real life. It's more, this is a more true to pattern. These are the inserts to fit the iWatch. Found those on eBay. They're very inexpensive. The buckles from the Buckle Man. Fits fine, recharges without any grief at all.